the 6th day in a row we've hit the 40s, and even 8 times we've done it in December, because earlier this month we had 2 40-degree days, and we're going to keep this going. 45 for the next 2 days, but we drop on the first day of winter. Winter begins on Friday. Cold front will swing through, but notice the daytime high still just above the normal high of 34. We'll hold at about 35, and then as we step through the weekend and reach for the Christmas holiday, temperatures start inching a little bit warmer. Well, right now we have clear skies around, and that's going to be the story for much of the night. So we're looking live over the city, but it does feel like 29 degrees because winds are out of the southwest at 7, but there's no problems with visibility. Dew point is 28 degrees right now, and temperatures are holding at 30 in McHenry, 35 in Ottawa, 32 in Morris, and also in LaPorte, 35 at Midway, and also into Waukegan. So while it's quiet for now, we're going to see early sunshine tomorrow, and then clouds take over. So it'll be mostly cloudy throughout the afternoon and evening, and then rain chances start to develop on Thursday. And we're calling this system mainly a rain system because of the temperatures being so mild into the middle 40s. So looking at futurecasts through the night, we stay mostly clear. In the morning, though, we're going to notice that cloud deck starting to sneak in. Temperatures hovering close to the freezing mark when you step outside for work or for school. And during the course of the afternoon, we'll keep more clouds than sun in the forecast, and temperatures again reaching the 40s. Then tomorrow night, we're going to be watching for some light drizzle, but I think through 11 o'clock things will be dry. And then as we get into Thursday morning, here comes that cold front, and we'll probably hit our daytime high sometime in the middle part of the day, and then the front will come through and temperatures start dropping. But notice, not a lot of precipitation with that system. In fact, we have high pressure in control. That's keeping things dry and quiet. Clouds aren't too far away, though, and they are going to be increasing in time. So we're watching 2 weather systems. The one to the north, this one is Pacific oriented, so it's not dramatically cold Arctic air, but it's still going to bring us that cool change on Friday as it comes through. It will meet up with this system, which will pull some moisture in from the Gulf, enhancing that chance for rain. But I really think the timing of all this pulling through, the bulk of the rain is going to focus here on the Ohio Valley, especially through the state of Ohio and even into Pennsylvania, and as you start reaching to the east, because here's the front, 7 a.m. right over us, little ribbon of light rain, but the bulk of the rain really traveling to the east and headed for the eastern seaboard. We hold the cloud deck at dinner time on Thursday. Maybe a light wintry mix could pop up here or there early Friday morning, but then we're going to look for the clouds to break late in the afternoon. We start to see that clearing line set up. How much rain on Thursday? Minor amounts, maybe a tenth at most in some places. I think this is going to be a very light event. And then when it swings through and we change over to that light mix Friday, possibly northwest Indiana would be the focus for maybe a little grassy coat of snow. But I think if temperatures are warm enough, it may just be a rain-snow mix around town. So this system really doesn't bother us a whole lot. 32 tonight, partly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy, though, as you head out the door tomorrow. 29 Rensselaer, 31 in Waukegan, and again tomorrow, going warmer than normal, maybe even a 50 could step into the picture. We'll start with early sun and then cloud things up, but we'll keep tomorrow dry. Both rush hours will be dry. And then on Thursday morning, scattered showers for us. Here comes that front on Friday, and we introduce winter in the afternoon. In the 4 o'clock hour, will be mostly cloudy, but temperature still 1 degree warmer than normal. And then we stair-step to warmer temperatures, but we are watching Christmas Day. Right now it looks like a mix, Rob and Erica, but if that temperature comes down, maybe some of the white stuff.